Good morning, everybody. New week, new short week. Short week theory didn't came through so far, and so Friday was interesting. As you saw, pre-market a lot of names 1 hour MACD golden cross, and right now 4 hour on many names are golden crossing too. So direction is up until it's invalidated, until we see many names 1 hour, 4 hour dead cross, then we can go lower again. But for now, direction is up thanks to semis and Apple. So let's see what's going on. Pre-market for 5 minutes is up. 15:30 is still pointing down 1 hour, same. But the 4 hour, we got a golden cross on the ES. Keep in mind, ES futures were open since Sunday, but SPY and other names they opened since this morning, and SPY was open since 8 a.m. So indicators gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna adjust in 1 2 days. 4 hour MACD is golden cross on ES, and we're getting a light blue bar on TTM squeeze daily. Was about to have a dead cross, but it diverted up right now. And weekly, if we get a golden cross this week or anytime next few weeks, we are good to go for another lift up. NQ to do same thing like ES 5 15 30 is downward, 1 hour downward, but the 4 hour MACD is golden cross and TTM squeezes on the rise. The higher the Nvidia goes, the higher the market goes. What's interesting is on Friday, I was expecting some even pullback or some slowness or some sell off into the close, and market show some weakness into the close. And what happened was interesting. At 3 o'clock we had a fall, and but it quickly rebounded up, and Nvidia wasn't joining it, and VIX wasn't jumping up. So keep an eye on Nvidia and VIX. If market you see SPY and NQ like they fall, but Nvidia is not falling, VIX is not jumping, that means it's just a temporary fall, and it can bounce up back up. So keep an eye on those two, and it can any fall, not every fall means a start of a big fall. So anyhow, 4 hour is still very bullish. Daily is very bullish. We got two light blue bars, and weekly is near golden cross. Dow Jones flat. We're getting dark blue bars is on decrease. So once it goes to red, not gonna be a good sign there. Daily MACD is dead cross there. RTY is stronger index than other ones. 4 hours golden cross, but weekly and daily is still not that much strength. Good morning, Amnon. DXY, weekly MACD is dead crossing. That's really interesting. The lower the DXY goes, the higher text can fly up. Just keep that in mind. Daily is downward, 4 hours downward, so 104,369. If it doesn't hold there, we are good to go to the lower level, 103,676 and lower level. 10-year note. To do 10-year note mixed signal, just up and down for now. Jumps up for 4.574, and if it goes down 4.371, but just a mixed signal, not clear signal. Wix 1% higher. 4 hour near golden cross, weekly is dead cross. Key to watch is 1307. If we pass that one, then it's time to get bearish again. Goes below 12.1, market can get more bullish, and next target is 1135. BTC had a nice bounce up after 10 a.m. on Friday, and then it went high as 70,000, but last night it started pulling down. Daily is still very bullish, but the 4 hour is just wild right now. Golden cross, dead cross, so it's just wild right there. ETH, craziness, it just keeps going. 4,000 is almost there, so once the 4,000 pass, it can get interesting. Weekly MACD is golden cross, daily is upward, 1 hour is upward, and it's all about 4,000. Apple, good news that the shipment increased in China, and yeah, GME, I'm watching it. To Apple shipment, yeah, gap up to 104.98, not 194.81, but right now it's pulling back a little bit. Kashkari, Fed Kashkari is talking at 9:55. What else you got here today? That's 5-year note at 1 p.m. Fed Cook is talking, Fed Dali is talking, both at 1 p.m. So Apple Watch 192.25, 191.7 support level, but once it passes 193 and 194, it's good to go to fly up to 196.96. That's the next major level. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, 1 hour is upward, so it's not impossible 196 to come this week. Amazon, but pre-market, keep in mind, pre-market is showing some weakness on the 15 and 30, so we need to see 5 and 15 MACD golden cross for run up again. Amazon, it's been weak last few days. Even on Friday was weak. I got a little bit bounce up on Friday, but right now the weakness continues. If 180 can hold it there, we are looking for 177, 174, and 173. Very bearish on daily. Weekly is downward 4 hours, still not golden cross. And yeah, so you need to pass 182.06 to get interesting to run up to 185 again. Nvidia gap up open was strong into the close. Premiums got jacked up into the close on Friday, and you can see here the IV start pushing up at 2:30. They start pushing the IV, and big monies they loaded up 1080 and 1085 2 days not 2 days ago, on Thursday. Key to watch is 1107. 1100, 1107 pass, we're looking at 1117, 1129. If 1130 pass, next major levels are those 1214, 1322. Not impossible to come before the next earning. Until the 4 hour MACD is not dead cross on the Nvidia, this post earning can continue going higher. But be cautious every time 1 hour MACD dead cross or golden cross. AVGO following Nvidia. Key to watch is 1419. If it passes that one, we're looking at 1437, 1467, and higher level. 4 hour, we're getting a first yellow bar on the TTM squeeze again. 1 hour is up, 30 is up, so it's all about 1419. Supports are 1402, 1389, and lower level. Coin, it's like a mixed signal there. Ethereum is up, BTC is down, but Ethereum has BTC has more volume, more profit, I guess. That's why it's 1-2 point lower. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, but pre-market 1530 and 1 hour is pointing down. So key levels to watch: supports are 233, 230. If 230 can hold it, lower levels as always 226, 222, 220. Need to pass 237 and 241. Those are the next levels to fly up higher. 250, not impossible to come this week if BTC flies above 70k. Netflix showed a lot of strength on Friday. It's all about 652, and that's a higher Friday. Very bullish on daily, weekly, curved up on MACD. So key level to watch is 249.97 and 252, 649 and 652 higher Friday. Past those, we're looking at 656, 663. Supports are 646, 643, and 641. Meta was very strong on Friday. 4 hour was golden cross. It was the first time actually golden cross pre-market, and it was just a nice jump up. But right now pre-market some weakness, 2-3 points lower. 1530 1 hour is downward, so 474. If we can hold it, 472, 470 support. Need to pass 477 to run up to 481, 484, and 487. Tesla, nice jump up on Friday, but right now 2 points lower. This vote is gonna be wild. No one knows what's gonna be the outcome. It's a $50 billion, so we'll see what's gonna be the outcome. I heard, I think is in June 12th they're voting. Pre-market right now, Tesla 1530 1 hour is downward, 4 hour is bearish. Daily is just a mixed signal. We have red bars on the TTM squeeze, but MACD is still not dead cross. Weekly in general is still golden cross, so mixed signal. If it jumps up 178, 181, 183, if 177 can hold it, 176, 174 supports. Below that 172 and 170. Microsoft almost flat. Key level to watch is 428 and 430. Past either one, bigger move can happen. 432 and 427. Above and below, those are the higher and lower level. Google, flat 2. Daily MACD is dead cross, so the weakness is there. 173 if you can hold it, back to 171, 169, and 168. 15 30 1 hour, 4 hours downward. Daily MACD is dead cross, So it's more bearish than bullish. Need to get a 4-hour MACD golden cross to get interesting. In general, weekly is still very bullish. AMD followed Nvidia a little bit, but right now it's showing weakness. 167.96. If it can hold it back to 165, 164, need to pass 170 is strong to run up to 173.62 next major level. I like that the 4-hour MACD is golden cross, daily is upward. Once we get a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, this one is good to go for another bigger run up. SMCI a little bit gap up. 4-hour MACD is near golden cross, so it's possible to have a big jump today if Nvidia continues going. 900 past 912, 928. Above 928, we're looking at 936, 948, and 960. Supports, if it gets pulled back at open, are 890, 882, and 870. SPY. 529, 531, those are the two key levels to watch. 531 passes, we're looking at 533, 534 next major. If 529 can hold it back to 528 and 527. QQQ stuck at the 458 major level, just up and down, goes above it, comes back to it, goes below, comes back to it. So below supports level, if it falls 456, doubt it goes that low because Nvidia is very positive today, unless Nvidia pulls back. But if it goes very low, for just possible scenario, 453, 451, need to pass 459 for run up to 461 and 462. IWM showing some strength. This one is next key level is 207.27, past 208, 209. SMH I think is making a new all-time high, right? Yeah, new all-time high. 248.53 key level to watch, past 251, 256. It's all up to semis. To gold, some run up there. Next key level is 220.04. Possible to come again this week. If it goes above 220, 222 next level. 4-hour MACD is golden cross. FSLR just non-stop going. This one 484.31. Past that one 292, 303, and 317 all-time high. 317 it seems like it's coming this week. This one is just wants a new all-time high. This is two parabolic move and is most likely 317 is gonna pass. Let's see what's above 317. Yeah, this name is possible to pass 317. 505. Can I go there? Let's see. Yeah, so next major level, if it passes 317 and it gets crazy parabolic, continues going up, we are looking at 505. 317, 505, 84. So yeah, if 317 passes, next key level is 361. Let's see below 361. What is that? 361, 57, 317. So once 317 passes, so watch 292. If it passes today, 303, 317 possible to come today or tomorrow with this craziness. But 327, 344, 361 if it passes 317. What else we got? mRNA, nothing exciting. Dell gap up again, earning this week. It's all about 170, new all-time high pre-market. 169 pass, 170.26 next major level. Passes that 179, 188. What else we got here? ENPH, it's all about 128.85. Past that, we're looking at 134, 141 next major level. What else? GME, crazy name. So 24, right now it's stuck at 22.92. Key to watch is 24.35. Past that one, we're looking at 26, 28, 26.67, 28.99. Above that, it can get crazy. 33, 39, 46. 4 hours golden cross until the 1 hour is not dead cross. It can continue going higher. CRWD, got a gap up there. 362 key to watch. Past 369, 374, 380. Airbnb gap up on the upgrade. So 147, watch that one. Past 148, 149, and 150.93 is the next major level. LRCX gap up opening right now, so 982 is a key level to watch. Past, we're looking at 996 at 1013. ARM a little bit gap up. Watch 117. That's a key level. 117 passes. We're looking at 118, 119, 121. MU 2 points higher, almost all time high. 131.78 pass, 132, 134.48. QCOM 5 points higher, new all time high. This one, next major level is 223.14. Let me fix this one. So 211.38, 223.14. So 2218 a pass. We're looking at 220 and 223. FSLR did. Good morning, Manny. GME AMC. AMC follows GME, but this name is just way low. It's just too low. It's better to play GME. This name it's needs to get above 19 to get interesting. If you go look at it, they had I think one or two times split, and the market cap is way lower than what it was, and it's just like a very broke company. If you play it now, play it small, be cautious. Key level to watch is 601, 714, and 826 if we want to run up. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Yeah.